So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own $10,000 a month app using a no-code platform called Lovable.dev. Okay, and this is a platform that I've been using for a few weeks now. I think it's absolutely incredible. I mean, there are a lot of options out there, right? Like Replit, there's Cursor, there's Bolt.new, but I think Lovable has a great interface. It's just really easy to use, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can build the app inside Lovable, how you can find ideas for the app, and how you can generate the perfect prompt. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is head over to a website called There's an AI for That. And basically, this website is a marketplace for AI tools, apps, services, SaaS tools, etc. Okay, and they've got 25,000 AIs for 15,000 tasks that can do almost 5,000 jobs. Okay, so there's plenty of inspiration here for you to use. So first thing you want to do is head over to Popular on the left hand side, and this will give you an idea of the most popular apps on this marketplace. Okay, and this is built off a few metrics such as bookmarks, reviews. These are actually paid apps. So this one's $9.99 a month. This one doesn't have pricing, but it's probably on the website. This one's $9. Some of these are a little bit more. So this one's like $20. So you can safely say they're making a decent amount of money because this website, there's an AI for that, gets a lot of traffic. It gets a hell of a lot of traffic. And if you're on the front page, or at least in the first kind of top 10 of most popular tools, you're going to make some decent income from this. Okay, now what I would suggest is look for trends. So what I'm seeing is a lot of photo AI apps. I'm seeing a lot of Riz apps. So Riz for Tinder, for online dating, that kind of stuff, and that's very much in trend. Okay, but what I'm gonna do is, since I'm recording this in December, I'm actually gonna do an app that's related to weight loss and the new year and New Year's resolutions and that kind of things. Okay, so I found an app earlier called Caloreezy, and so I want to click on this because this is actually generating some revenue. It's really from up to $39 a month. Okay, it's a really nice kind of website. It's got great branding, great colors, and this is the website here. Okay, so it is a web app and a mobile app on App Store and Google Play. Okay, there's a lot of things you can take from here that you can use with the prompt inside of Lovable. Okay, and so we're going to build that out together. So the next thing you want to do is head over to ChatGPT, and the reason I want you to use ChatGPT is that this is the best tool for creating prompts. Okay, because it can optimize prompts for pretty much any platform. Okay, so I've created one earlier. I'm just going to paste it in here. And so for this prompt, I've said generate an optimized prompt for Lovable.dev. Okay, so the platform, and the output of prompts is based on your input. So be as specific as possible. Okay, and that's why I'm using ChatGPT. I want to create a calorie tracker with nice fonts, a great looking dashboard, and a clean color palette. So I've given it some basic input. Now, this is obviously not what I'm going to use for the prompt. I'm going to wait for ChatGPT to create a prompt for me, and that's what it's doing right now. Okay. So you can see that it's kind of broken it down into each of the different elements or the interface. You've got the font, you've got the color palette, and that's the key to prompts, right? You want to be as specific. You want to give examples as well, okay, which it is doing. And when you give it examples, you'll always get much better output. It's obviously got some UX designs and functionality as well. So design inspiration, which is pretty cool. Actually, look, it's mentioned platforms like Notion, Apple Health. I actually use MyFitnessPal, so that's a great little addition to that. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. So I'm going to copy this, head back over to Lovable, and I'm just going to paste this. Okay, performance. So it won't take as long as this. Okay, because I'm doing this live, I want to show you exactly what's possible. And yeah, this is not bad, right? Like, I mean, this looks like most calorie trackers. You can make it more interesting, obviously, and we're going to do that as well. But you can make the fonts a bit more interesting. You can change this here. You can change the colors of the call to action. You can change the label of the call to action, and you can add more things here. Okay. But yeah, it's so far so good. Not bad at all. Okay, so I want to call the app Avocado, and I want an avocado logo. Now I'm not sure how good it is for logos, but let's see if it can do that. If not, there's lots of options for you to generate free logos. There's Midjourney, there's Canva, there's Leonardo that you can generate logos with, and you can plug it into here, okay? Because you can actually attach files. So this is going to update the front end. It's going to call it Avocado, and let's see if it can generate a logo. I'm not sure how good it is for logo generation, but you kind of get the idea of what's possible. Okay. Now remember, this is the worst version of the app that you're going to see. I mean, that's not bad, right? Like, I mean, it's not an avocado, but it's not bad. I mean, I could change the name and then make it a bit more relatable to the logo here. But yeah, that's not so bad. And then if we go back to the Calorie Easy, we can take some of this and we can use it as the fonts. Okay, so we could do that with the color. So let's go back into here, and I've actually got a screenshot of this already. So I'm going to take this and upload it. So change the font, use the attach screenshot. So I've uploaded a screenshot taken from the website, and I'm going to use something that's similar. Now, it might not be the same, which is fine as long as it's kind of close, or it can be any fonts you wish. Okay, and so it's going to change that. And you can do the same with the background. Okay, so let's say you want to know what this color is. Okay, you can go to a website like Image Color Picker, and what you want to do is you want to upload your own image. So let's browse, let's grab this, and we've got, or we can take this here and it will give you the color palette, right? So we can actually take this hex code and we can change it to the background, or maybe let's just take this one because it's not as strong. Okay, so I'm going to take this hex code, go back into lovable.dev. It's done the typography, it's actually changed it, and it actually used the same as the Calorie Easy website, right? So, which is really cool. And then I'm going to say change the background color to, so now the background color will be the same color as this one here. Okay, you can also do it with Font Squirrel if you wanted to know what these fonts are. You can just plug into Font Squirrel here. So go to fontsquirrel.com and you can upload your own images, screenshots, and it'll tell you exactly what the fonts are, or give you the closest related fonts. So yeah, here you go. That's really not bad, right? Like, let's just do this. So change this. Add food to. Just want to make it a bit more personalized, and we can change the label here. So wait for that to finish, and you can change the colors, you can change the layout, you can add more logos if you wanted to add more logos, right? Okay, yeah, that's done it. And then change the button call to action to update. Change the color to orange. Okay, so I normally see call to actions as orange, but you kind of get the picture here, right? So yeah, you have a play around with this. Obviously, I'm on the free plan, but I don't think it's that expensive. I think it's like $20 a month or something along those lines. You can also, with a Lovable, you can actually deploy it to Supabase. So if you wanted to launch as a proper website, once it's done, you can actually connect it up to Supabase. So Supabase is just like a database hosting. It's like a cloud server like Firebase, and you can host all your files on there, okay, into tables. You can put all your SQL in there as well, and you can run it from anywhere, okay. But let's just publish this and see what it looks like. And I'll include a link to this in the description below as well, just to show you what's possible, okay. So yeah, this is lovable.dev. I'm definitely going to be building out a lot more apps and services in here, and I'm gonna once I've upgraded to the play plan, but you kind of get the picture, right? So let's have a look. And yeah, it's not bad, right? I mean, we could do a lot more here. We can make this a little bit bigger. We can change this. We can add more logos. We can add testimonials. So there's a lot of things you can pull off here. We can add these like social symbols. We can add featured on. We can do all that. We can add more content, like why would you use Avocargo, right? And the most important thing is you want to have, social proof, right? And this is content that you can update yourself, right? So you can give it out to friends and family, say, just go use this, give me a testimonial, and then you can put that picture in there, and you can upload the text, right? And you can do it all inside of the prompt, okay? So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like the content, please leave me a message below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. The more subscribers I get, the more love I get, and obviously, I'll be generating and creating more apps, building more services, and also creating more videos. Okay, so thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.